Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Nigome Propane Fire Pit Table, Outdoor Fire Pits and Fireplaces. Why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Sturdy and durable design. Built to last, this black propane fire pit table is crafted with a robust construction that ensures longevity and durability, making it perfect for any outdoor space. Versatile functionality. Use this outdoor fire pit as a patio dining table, coffee table, or bar table. Its multi-purpose design adds convenience and style to your backyard gatherings. Comfortable heat control. Enjoy adjustable flames from low to high, providing up to 50,000 BTU of warmth. Perfect for cozying up during fall and winter nights while maintaining an inviting atmosphere. Certified safety and quality. Equipped with SGS certification, this gas fire pit offers peace of mind with its reliable safety features. Comes with a waterproof cover to protect against the elements. Enhance your outdoor experience. Gather friends around the fire pit table for chats, laughter, and warmth. Keep food warm throughout gatherings and create a romantic ambience in your yard. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.